Hello world, Shelly here, and it's time for another episode of Makeup and Chill. Today I'm going to say Happy Pride Month and show you how I got this rainbow-inspired eye look in celebration. I used the NYX Ultimate Edit palettes. There is, however, no shade of green in either one of these, so in order to accomplish green, I grabbed the Hot Jalepeño, it's upside down, palette from Elf and used the green in here. So I am just gonna zip my mug, show you how I got this eye look, chill, relax. I appreciate you guys. Take care of each other. Let's make up and chill.
You got me like in a box. I adore everything you touch. Say, do you believe that we were meant to be? My body craves identity. Green mango peach, what a tease. Calling me like the rainbow. Oh, pretty please, take it easy. No one likes push and shove. Let go of control. Treasured skies, I'm staring deep into your green eyes. Well, two is one, so we begin. Oh, I follow you till the end, my darling. Green mango peach, what a tease. Calling me like the rainbow. Oh, pretty please, take it easy. No one likes push and shove, let go of control of all you think you know and how you want us to be. Oh, let go. You got me like in a box. I adore everything you touch. Say, do you believe that we were meant to be? My body craves identity. Green mango peach, what a tea.